In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a blog featured image in Wix, a powerful platform for creating professional websites without the need for coding skills. To start off, you need to navigate to your blog within Wix. To do this, you will need to access the Wix.com blog section that's located right in your dashboard. This is the dedicated area for all your blogging needs, where you manage your posts, categories, tags, and, of course, images. Next, you need to select the specific blog post that you want to edit. Depending on your blog layout and settings, you may see a list of all your published blog posts or a list of all your drafts. Either way, identify the blog post you're looking to update, click on it, and that will bring it up in the editor. Once you are in the editor of your blog post, look for the Settings button or icon. This is usually found on the left side of the post editor. The Settings section includes a variety of options to customize your blog post, like SEO settings, social media descriptions, and the featured image settings, which we are focusing on today. In the settings, you should be able to find a toggle for the featured image. This is the image that is typically shown at the top of your blog post, and when your post is shared on social media. This toggle could also be labeled as Display Cover Image, depending on your settings. You want to make sure this option is enabled in order to add the featured image to your post. Now that the featured image setting is enabled, it's time to add or replace the image. Click on the image box, which will bring up options for you to pick an image. Wix offers you 3 options here. You can choose an image from your computer, your site files, or from the vast catalog of stock images. If there already is an existing image, the same options apply if you want to replace it. After you have selected the perfect image, it's time for the final step. Look for the button that says Add to Page and click on it. This will add the image to the post as your featured image. Once done, you're now ready to update your blog post with the new featured image. To do this, click either Save or Publish, depending on your readiness to post. There you have it, a simple, easy, and effective way to add or change the featured image of your Wix blog posts. Always make sure to use compelling images that catch the reader's eye. After all, a picture says 1,000 words.